Hi, I'm Rich Tannis.
And I'm Rod Tannis.
And we're the Rctwins.
Yes, we are.
Today we've got a CY 310, about 130-inch wingspan. It's got a pair of Tomact G160s on it. It's got a pair of 1610 Master Airscrew props.
Yep.
A couple of true turn airflow spinners. And it's got four 5,000 milliamp 100 C Graphene batteries inside.
Nothing like a nice big Cessna 310 from our friends at Texas RC Planes.
They're awesome people down there. You should really give them a call.
Good place to find a big airplane.
If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe and hit the bell.
Yeah, hit the bell while you're at it.
Yeah, it's a big deal. And then leave a comment and make sure to share.
Yep.
It really helps us a ton. Thank you so much to all our fans and all our members and subscribers.
Gear test 310. Yeah. All right, so we got some lights going on. A little beacon on the bottom, on the top, strobe on the end of the wing, nav light on the wingtip, landing lights, the other nav, the other strobe.
All right, on this 310, we beefed up these areas here. We built some pretty good size blocks, hardwood blocks, and had to cut this whole area out, sink them and epoxy them all in. This area was really a little bit too light, so we beefed it up in that way. We had to touch down just a little bit heavy, and the plywood separated and wobbled this one out, so we did that one too over there. Put some bigger screws in and just beefed it up a little bit. Added about 3/8 plywood underneath each side of the nose, and those go all the way back to the plywood forward and to the side. A couple of pieces there, just glued them all in there and beefed that up a little bit too.
Gotta love that one. I'm good, Rod.
Okay.
What a dream.